Hi, everybody. My name is Mrs. Hodas, and I am going to be your photography teacher. So, welcome to class.
I've been teaching graphic design and photography and a lot of the art courses at General McLean since 2003. I did do my student teaching here in the fall of 2002. Prior to coming to General McLean, I was a professor at Erie Institute of Technology where I taught graphic design and photography to adults. I am currently a photographer and graphic designer outside of class. So I do Karen Hodas photography. Um, I attended Penn College in Edinburgh, and I have a degree in graphic design and art education. You can contact me at Karen Hodas, Hodas, at generalmclean.org. Students taking this class will need something to take photos on, so you can have the students either use their school issued iPad, or if they have a phone that is a little bit better quality than the school issued iPad, they are more than welcome to use their phone to take this course. Every day, the students will need to bring their iPad to class or access their iPad from home, and they will need to go to the app Schoology. Once they're in Schoology, they'll look for our photography class. Once they click on our photography class, they're going to see a daily agenda. I ask them every day to read through the agenda, and once they have read through that agenda, they need to press the like button. Once they press like, they do earn 1 point each day for liking the agenda. And that's the way I can make sure that they know what we're going to be doing for the day. Please remember, parents are also able to see Schoology. So if you're ever interested in what's going on for the day, or if you just want to check up on anything, parents are able to access Schoology as well. Within this course, every week you will have a photo shoot to explore new things and new features on your camera, and you're going to learn to see the world photographically. Students in this course find success in their photography almost immediately. So it's really fun to explore the rest of the course because right away you get excited about your successful photos in the class. If you are on Facebook or Instagram, you can follow our pages, General McLean High School Digital Art, and periodically I will post some of the things that we are doing, some of the products that we're creating in our class. So feel free to like our page on Facebook or now on Instagram. If you need to get a hold of me, my email address is Karen Hodas, Hodas, at generalmclean.org. This course is designed in natural light photography, so the students will need to arrange to take photos outdoors during daylight hours for all photography assignments, and they will have a photo shoot assignment every single week for the next 9 weeks. Each week there will be a different topic that we are going to focus on for our photo shoots. And so students will be taking the photos based on that photo shoot. They will have to take about 24 photos every week. And after they're done with those photos, they are going to import them and begin processing them. On Mondays, students will transfer the photos that they've taken onto a program on their iPad, and they will create a contact sheet, and I'll be able to give them feedback by Tuesday. For this course to run smoothly, I do have to have a very strict homework policy. Taking the photos is worth 200 homework points. It is only accepted to turn in the photos the day that they are due. This is usually the first day back from the weekend, which is traditionally a Monday, and which will be a Cyber Monday for all students in this course. On Cyber Monday, they need to make sure that they have their photos imported and their contact sheets submitted to Schoology
or they will get 0 out of 200 points. They can still use photos if they don't turn it in by this deadline. However, they will receive 0 out of 200 for the homework credit. For this course to move smoothly day by day, it is really important that they have the photos completed by Monday so that they are able to work on the rest of the process for the rest of the week. Now, this is a no excuse policy, so if they are unable to upload by Monday, they will have to take the 0 out of 200 for the homework credit. Now, I do have a heart. I do issue one photo pass per term. A photo pass means if something came up, they can still get full 200 points. I don't need any excuses, and they can just tell me that they are using the photo pass. Now, my incentive is that if they don't use that photo pass, they may hang on to the photo pass until the end of the term, and they may use it for 100% on their final exam. So they would still have to take the final exam. However, they may use their photo pass as their grade. Photos are going to be due on Mondays, so they are Cyber Mondays, so everyone will be home on Monday, and so they just have to make sure that they have their photos, that's 24 photos, uploaded and imported into Schoology by Monday so that I can give them feedback on Tuesday. If you have a slow internet connection at home, you may want to start uploading on Friday. This will give students the opportunity to upload all weekend long, and then by Monday, everything should be uploaded and ready to submit on Monday. You could even drive up to the school's hotspots outside of the building and this during the weekend, and this would help you speed up your slow internet if you have that at home. The photography students will receive their photo shoot information and lectures on Wednesday. So this way they would have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to complete their 24 photos assignment. And that way they can use the weekend to upload. On Cyber Mondays, students will have their photos uploaded from their camera into their iPad, and they were going to create a contact sheet so I can review their photos and give them feedback on Tuesday. These photos should not be edited in any way. They were just raw photos straight out of the camera. We will then narrow it down to the best photos, and students will learn to edit photos with apps on their iPad. When it's all said and done, everything does get submitted to Schoology, so you can count on looking for the most accurate and updated grade on the Schoology platform. So parents are able to access that Schoology. Now, Schoology does link to PowerSchool, but remember, I am grading exclusively in Schoology, so even though it does update eventually to PowerSchool, the most up-to-date accurate grade will always be in the Schoology grading system. Parents, you should have received an email from me that has a link to our class website. If you have not received that email from me, I may not have your current email address, so please email me at karenhodas@generalmcclain.org and just let me know that you have not received the class website link if you care to look at it, and I will give you that link right away. This website is helpful because it will have a schedule of all photo shoots, and it will have a calendar as to what photos are due on what date. I am very excited to get started with this photography class. This will be a year to remember. I truly believe that your kids are going to love having this class as part of their education this year. If you need anything at all, please feel free to email me or give me a call at any time. Thank you very much.